We have some important updates for you in this video, as well as a new deBridge update, Solana Airdrop, Magic token going live soon, area for TS takers. So make sure to stay on this video. And we jump right here. First thing first, we got new missions over here on GRBT. So make sure to go and grab yourself the code. Only 20 available. The link will be down below. Easy peasy, simply sign up and you are good to go. This is the first thing that you need to do. Following up, we have a very nice airdrop on Solana, and this is NX Finance, as you see over here. We have been doing it for a while. We have been participating and all them goodies. But if you want to participate, the link is down below. As we see here, it is either on the backpack, which you get a nice little boost, or on Phantom or Solana, etc. The one thing that I do want to tell you is that this airdrop is going to give 51% to the community. As you see over here, it is a community incentivization to 51%. So definitely an airdrop not to miss, and it is very easy to go and do it. First of all, as we see over here, you must join or create a team to get your airdrop points. Otherwise, no points will be distributed. So if you want to earn this, make sure to join my team down below. As you see over here, we are already 228 people of my community. The link will be down below. And it is pretty straightforward how to go and earn this airdrop. First of all, the team over here, the more funds are deposited, the more bonus we get. And we can either leverage our token over here, which I would not suggest you to do it because it is the riskier part. The easier part is to simply lend or borrow token. As we see over here, I got 2 Solana in this protocol and will look to add more as I do have a few funds over on my Phantom wallet. You can deposit and you can withdraw anytime that you want your full amount. So this is probably the best airdrop in terms of the dashboard, the total value locked that you see over here. We are ranked 640 with 385,000 total points, which is super nice. And I will go and put more money into it, as well as myself, as well as the team. So altogether, we will reach the 3 million mark. But it is nice because it has 51% to the community. So make sure that you go and do it. It is the highest reward token that I have seen in a very long time going to the community. Not like deBridge, which gives a 6% airdrop or whatever it was. So this is a real one, 51%. As well, talking about deBridge over here, one thing that you need to know, if we go and put our token, for example, over here, I farmed it with my EVM wallet, as well as I farmed it with my Phantom wallet. If we go and import our token, this is the page that you will have your possibility to go and check the allocation. So you will be leading over here, I will leave it down below, and we go and paste our wallet address over here, and we see check eligibility. So the first distribution is not the total that you get. This is the first part, and then you have the second distribution over here. So the first distribution is untouchable. You cannot do anything about it. And as you see over here, 17,000 tokens I will receive for this wallet in total. But the second distribution is where it gets important. Here you can say claim later with the bonus, and this will be a extra bonus in terms that you're a deBridge power users, 10% of the leaderboards, blah, 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 whatever. There is a fine of a 20% of your total allocation if you decide to claim all at the token generation event, all at TGE. There is a little fine to go and grab. As you see over here, if we click it, it is 20% penalty. And you can go and click this box in case you want to do it or not. I will stick with the 6-month TGE with the cliff and wait it to see how it goes, because I kind of like the protocol. Very sad about the only 6% to the community. They have to feed their mouth. They're probably gonna all sell anyway at dump. So, but the first version I will potentially also sell, but this one I will do it on the long term. Once, as we see over here, the claiming is not live yet, but you can decide whether or not you want to do this or not, and then whether or not you will receive also this 20% that is taken from people that claim first penalty. It will be rewarded. The 20% will go to the people that do not claim immediately. So the people that claim later with bonus, we will also have a 20% extra to our allocation because of the penalty that have been taken. Then we will be able to send a transaction, do all of them things, send a transaction, send the condition, this and that, and you are good to go. But the claiming, it is not live yet. Following up, also we have a special announcement from the Magic Eden token, once again in the Solana ecosystem. If you do not know what Magic Eden is, one is a, as you see over here, an NFT marketplace. And very hyped up as well on the community for people that trade NFT, that are good with it, buy and sell NFT, create volume, etc. As we see over here. Well, they have just announced the Me token, powering the #1 cross-chain dApps ecosystem. People should be able to trade fungible and NFTs on any major chains anytime, all in one place. First, Me will be adopted by Magic Eden, the largest Bitcoin dApp NFT platform and Reindex, and the Me token claim will be in the Magic Eden wallet, available on iOS or Android. After claiming, Me incentivized will live in the wallet. So very nice. We gotta have a new airdrop as well within the Solana ecosystem. Of course, it is not yet live to claim, so do not click anywhere, do not click here, do not click there. Please be absolutely careful with what you are clicking online, and I will take you the update once it comes out. Following up, we also have the SCOOK airdrop, which is an upcoming airdrop on September 1st, and here is everything that you need to know. 5% of the total supply will be distributed to Osmos takers. So we are talking about Kepler wallet, we are talking about the Cosmos ecosystem. We got Osmos takers and Atom takers, as you see here. Yet for this one, the TS takers will not be able to go and participate in it. We got 10 ST Atom held or 100 ST Atoms held, 100 AMP Osmos staked, minimum of 1 Roar staked, and 1 staked Galaxy Punk, Galactic Mining, and Skeleton Punk as well. The snapshot date was on April 12th, 2024. We also have another Solana update, and this is from soulblaze.org. As you see here, we have received already an airdrop within our wallet. And what are we talking about? Well, as we see here, we got generating snapshot, token holding Bsol, Solana, Radium, Meteora, Camino, Orca, a lot of different Solana projects. And as we are able to go and see from what they says, more Blaze token is being airdropped as part of the ongoing reward. So if you did follow me, if you did switch on Jupiter, if you do have the Camino, Meteora, Oasis, and all of them, if you go to your Phantom wallet over here, you should be able to see this token over here. And if we click on it, we have the possibility to see that today we have received X amount of token depending on the value that you have in your wallet and all of them. So we got a lot of Solana airdrop updates. We got the Soulblaze, we got the Magic Eden, we got the deBridge and the NX Finance. And as you see here, you do receive, if you are participating, and if you did follow my previous video, we have received it once, we received it twice, we received it again, we received it back in the day again in March, March again, February. So we did receive a lot also in January, etc. So very few different airdrop updates as well as within the Solana ecosystem. Following up, we do have some new layer 3 quests for Zerion over here, which did start a partnership for their upcoming airdrop with layer 3. And we do have from the Zerion wallet different quests such as exploring Matis, getting started with the wallet mantle, Manta Pacific, X Layer, Polygons, aka EVM, and the mod network. So I will leave you this link down below if you wish to participate, and all of them are simple quests. Now we got more than 4, more than 5, depending on which one you want. You sign up with your MetaMask wallet as you see over here, and then you gotta install the wallet, add their own wallet to layer 3, follow them on Twitter, on-chain social. It looks pretty much easy. Now I did not participate in this one myself, nor I did even go and try to participate in it because I'm not really interested into this airdrop, but if you are, I will leave you the link down below. Next up, we got the DeFund incentivized testnet is now live, and as we see over here, the D token is confirmed for the TIA airdrop, and testnet users are part of the airdrop testnet guide. I will leave you this link down below, but this one is the page. It's the Zerion blockchain for cross EVM liquidity and maximum leverage. We got a total of 250 million tokens with an airdrop, which is nice, going to 17% to the community, which is really nice. Then we got ecosystem growth, early adopter, hedge, and call put and stake TIA token as well to go, and holders. The D airdrop eligibility so far are for all the TIA holders, so we are staking TIA within our Kepler wallet over here. In case you do not do it, make sure to go and do it. I have it since the beginning. We then got additional users, token holder specific action that are eligible, which still needs to be determined, loyalty point for previous DeFund testnet member, and incentivized testnet users. It is very simple. It's not something extremely hard to go and do. I will leave this full guide down below from the people that I do follow as well. And we do have over here the deBridge update that I did want to talk about. Now, another thing that I do want to mention before we go and leave it is a possibility in case yesterday, as we see over here, this is all where I save all of the important updates that I do want to talk to you about. We do have, if you didn't know, as we see over here, the first snapshot taken by Odyssey as well this season 1. The docs airdrop, we did talk about it yesterday, that it is gonna come to a very soon, and there is no need to worry. And the claiming of the Camino airdrop season 2. In case you haven't seen it, nor you haven't seen it or done it in any case, way, shape, or form, this is the Camino. You probably forgot it about after the season 1, and potentially you could have some liquidity still in the Camino airdrop season 2. And if you go over here to the top, you see the Camino season 2 allocation. I had 20 tokens, which I do believe as of right now, the Camino token is what, 2 cents, 3 cents? Let me know down in comments below. But we got some tokens. I did already go and stake them. Why not? Whether I wanted to sell it or not. Am I making any? Yeah, I'm taking a little bit of points, as we see here, with a 10x boost as well, which is not bad. And yeah, so make sure to go and check. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.